Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about variables and naming conventions. What are the rules for creating variables? And now we will continue with data types in C. So, in short, we can understand data type of data. Data is which type? In term of computer, all the data is stored in the form of binary numbers 0 and 1. Okay, so computer can understand only the binary numbers when we input the data from your keyboard like 7 9 10 11. So computer cannot able to understand, so we need some mediator to convert normal data to binary numbers. This is the reason why we use data types in programming language. And C data type are defined as the data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform a specific operation. Data types are used to define a variable before to use in program. So we will continue with this. So this is about data type of data. And type of data, how many types? There are four basic data types associated with variables: int, float, double, char. So int for integer occupies 2 or 4 or 8 byte of memory. In computer, when we store the memory, so memory unit is byte. And floating point value occupies 4 bytes of memory. And double precision floating point value occupies 8 byte of memory. And char, a single character, occupies 1 byte of memory. And about int is used to store integer value. Okay, so when we talk about 1 2 3 4 5 or 0 and minus value also included here. And an integer constant must have at least one digit. It must not have a decimal point. It allows the variable to store numeric values. It varies depend upon the processor in the CPU that we use. We cannot store decimal values using int data type. Okay, so here we have two steps are two statements are available. First statement is declaration and second one is assignment. When we talk about int amount, so int shows the which type of variable this amount. Okay, so this is the declaration and this is the assignment. So what I am saying about statements in programming language, lots of steps are available and all the steps known as the as per requirements. First step is declaration. We declare the variable and after that assign the value to the variable. So int amount a variable, which type of variable? Integer type of variable. And only we store the value of integer in amount. So we will assign in variable amount 8. Amount is equal to 8. So this is the not equal to operator. This is in C programming language assignment. And assign the value right side in variable. Okay, so this is about data type and declaration, how can declare and how can assign the value to variable. And now we have float is the use to define the floating number, which is already discussed. Declare the variable and assigning the value of decimal floating value. This is the float, shows the variable is decimal values contain. Okay, and double have some limit is extend, will extend. And double is used to store big floating point numbers which allows up to 10 digits after decimal. So you can see here, this is the declaration of variable and this is the assignment of variable. 1